Hey y'all, coding geniuses. Today we are looking at question 349, intersection of two arrays. Given two arrays, given two integer arrays, num1 and num2, return an array of their intersection. Each element in the result must be unique and you may return the result in any order. Well, we could just use a set to make sure the elements are unique, and then we could just use the intersection functionality of sets to find the intersection. Simple enough. We could just do set1, set2 equals set of nums1, of nums2. Actually, let's comment this out first. Turn both arrays into sets. Find intersection of both arrays. Return intersection. This question is so easy. I would just say this is also O of n plus m because we would have to look through both arrays. We have to look at each element of both arrays at least once to find the intersection. So we turn both into sets and then we find the intersection and we just return the intersection like that. If that doesn't work, then we might have to turn it into a list. Oh, that was simple enough. Okay, awesome. Well, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you at the next question.